do this. I don't think dragons have a beak.
Say hi. Hi.
Hi, my name is Mukti and I have a 2.5-year-old boy, Harsh. I know that every mother thinks that their child is the brightest and quick at learning new things, but I know my Harsh is actually all of that. I mean, he didn't even crawl. He just started walking at 10 months. And by the time he was responsive and started communicating with us properly, I thought it is time to ditch the diaper and potty train my little devil. Usually kids potty train around 2 years or sometimes even 3 years. But as a mother, I knew that my child was ready. I mean, come on, he would run, sit, pull his pants up and down. So I thought he'd be excited to be a big boy and own his own potty throne. And so it started with a designated potty place for Harsh, a potty timetable, like running him to it every time it looked like he wanted to go, so on and so forth. We did this diligently for a few weeks, but no results. It might sound silly, but I felt dejected. Like, he's so quick at learning other things, why is he taking so long to learn this? Don't know why or how my frustration just kept on growing about potty training. And the end result was exactly the opposite. I decided I need professional advice. So I went to his playgroup teacher, Miss Pooja. She sat me down and heard my entire ordeal, and all of that with a smile on her face. In fact, her smile made me more calm. She first started with the basics. Apart from walking and sitting on the toilet seat, was he comfortable pulling his pants up? Could he stay dry for 2 hours? Would he follow instructions? Luckily, the answer to all these were yes in Harsh's case. Then came the deciding questions. Would he communicate when he wanted to go? Was he even interested in using the potty seat? Answer to both these were no. So I stopped. We went back to the diaper routine. She helped me understand that the success at potty training is not the yardstick in a child's growth. The physical, developmental and behavioral milestones play an important role, not the age. My child will do it when he's ready. In fact, Miss Pooja advised that I use Little's potty seat for a smoother potty training transition. Guess what happened a few days later? Harsh dragged me to the bathroom, pulled his pants down and asked me for his potty throne. Mother hormones or what, I don't know, but I wept with joy. The work obviously did not end there. We still had to train him, like sit beside him when he was trying to go, encourage him constantly, and make him understand that it's okay if he didn't do it this time, he could always try again. In fact, to entertain him, we would read to him. Then that became a thing. He would get his book, bring it to me, that's how I know he wanted to go poo-poo. But in all of this, I don't think I could have done without that little piece of advice from Miss Pooja. A simple advice that saved me and my son from so much unnecessary frustration. So thank you for a little advice, Miss Pooja.